It's the first Wednesday of the month. It's August now. Sadly, school's going to start, and it's going to suck as well because of the restrictions. But at least it's the first Wednesday of the month. Here in 2 minutes, the sirens will go off. It's 9:58 right now, so I'm going to be waiting. It's 9:15. It's 9:58 right now. Oh wait, I already told you. All right. Well, I'm going to be waiting. It's 1 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. I didn't even get the chance to talk. Well, it's a shame. All I really heard was FF's 2001 130 down at the gas station right behind, well, right in front of me actually. That's all I could hear. I could I could. There's 3 thunderbolts I know of in my city, and I'm pretty sure one of them's being replaced because there's another FS 2001 right, really close to it. If you didn't see that video already, that siren is still there, but I don't know if it works anymore. It must have been shut down. Hopefully not. But yeah. But other than that, there's 2 more. There's one at a car dealership that I know of, and there's another one right next to a restaurant as well. So I don't know if those 2 are being replaced or not. I don't know if the third one that looks like it's being replaced even works anymore. But I hope they work. So that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.